everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I went ahead and started out by working on getting these 4 lights in the IDF room connected to permanent power. Something was wrong with it. I had to ask for help. Someone helped me out, my foreman. But I went ahead and got the switch up there with the industrial raised plate. Got that all tied back in. Then went ahead and started with some occupancy sensors and the power packs. So I already got the tiles up from last week, so I just went ahead and snapped in and screwed up the occupancy sensors and knocked out the knockouts in the box and installed the power packs and then hooked that up. It's pretty simple. I got 4 or 5 of those done today, I think, and then I got a couple more tiles up at the end of the day, which you will see here in a second. So I got the power pack and the aux sensor installed over here in this room that's off the print. This one right here, one in the kitchen right here. Working on some down here in this room on the left, which is that room right there. So I'm going to throw in this one over here on the left side. And then, as you can see, all these ones are marked up that I don't have put in yet, so I'm going to work on cutting these tiles, putting in these boxes, which are sitting right here. Power pack there, tie that one in, kind of temp these ones in until they get the ceiling in or whatever foreman was saying there. Just get these ready to go to drop in once they get the ceiling going over there. And something about this one with the chase, so got some things to do today. Finish up in the last hour, so to keep us busy. And like I mentioned, got these last 2 tiles up at the end of the day with the 2 boxes snapped in on top of them, so just have to shoot the rods tomorrow.